Introduction to Blender 2.8 Build Modifier. In Blender, modifiers can be used to create specific effects. The build modifier can make an object procedurally appear or disappear out of seemingly nowhere. The build modifier has settings to control the start frame and the length of the effect. You can change the sequence that the modifier creates or destroys the mesh, so that it is random, as well as reversing the sequence of the modifier, having it make the mesh disappear. By default, the build modifier follows a hidden set of values that Blender generates when either you or the program create a mesh, kind of like connect the dots, only in 3D. All of the settings of the modifier can be keyframed, as well as controlled by a driver. There are some actions that will change the hidden generated values of the mesh. Some of them include manually subdividing the mesh, the bevel modifier, the decimate modifier, the remesh modifier, and the triangulate modifier. Here are some visual examples of the modifiers that change how the build modifier creates the mesh. In some cases, the build modifier will shed some light on how these modifiers work. Some things that interestingly don't change the hidden generated values include the subdivision modifier, the solidify modifier, the array modifier, and the mirror modifier. This was an interesting topic, and I really had fun making it. I hope this helps you to understand Blender a little better. I know it helped me to understand it just by making it. It's very interesting how much there can be to learn about one program. Thank you for watching, and happy animating.